Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's just slide to the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and let's move to the right corner to the second button from the right. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Here let's slide down and focus on the capture settings, and here we have the leveler option. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it, and it shows us this line here. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works. Of course, when we don't need this we can easily slide again to the left, pick this button once again, slide here to the capture settings and pick this button. So for now this is turned off, and in the camera the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.